Effortless plant growth. How to use Osmocote slow-release fertilizer in your garden. Having a thriving garden is a joy, but constant feeding can feel like a chore. Osmocote slow-release fertilizer offers a convenient solution for busy gardeners, providing essential nutrients to your plants over an extended period. What is Osmocote slow-release fertilizer? Osmocote is a popular brand of slow-release fertilizer that comes in small, coated pellets. These pellets contain a balanced blend of nutrients, including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, NPK, essential for healthy plant growth. The special coating allows the nutrients to be released gradually over time, feeding your plants consistently without the risk of overfeeding. Benefits of using Osmocote in your garden. Reduced fertilization frequency. One application of Osmocote can feed your plants for up to 3 to 4 months, depending on the specific formula and soil conditions. This frees you from the hassle of frequent feeding and ensures your plants never miss a beat. Prevents fertilizer burn. Overfertilizing can damage or even kill plants. Osmocote releases nutrients slowly, minimizing the risk of burning and ensuring your plants receive a steady supply of what they need. Promotes consistent growth. With a constant supply of nutrients, Osmocote encourages healthy, consistent growth throughout the feeding period. Convenience for all gardeners. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Osmocote simplifies plant care. It's ideal for busy schedules or those who might forget to fertilize regularly. How to use Osmocote in your garden. 1. Choose the right formula. Osmocote comes in various NPK ratios suited for different plant types. Opt for a general-purpose 1-4-1-4-1-4 formula for most flowering plants and vegetables. For specific needs, choose a specialized Osmocote blend. 2. Apply during planting or potting. Mix Osmocote pellets directly into your potting mix or sprinkle them onto the soil surface around established plants. Gently rake the fertilizer into the top inch of soil. 3. Water thoroughly. Watering activates the Osmocote coating, initiating the slow release process. Get the most out of your garden with Osmocote. Osmocote slow-release fertilizer is a valuable tool for any gardener seeking to simplify plant care and promote healthy growth. With its convenient application and long-lasting effects, Osmocote takes the guesswork out of feeding your plants, allowing you to enjoy a thriving garden with less effort. Let Architect's World blog help you build a beautiful garden. For more gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration, like and follow Architect's World blog. We share valuable insights and resources to help you create your dream garden.